Hi, welcome everyone to Real Chef YouTube channel. Today we are going to make croissant dough. So I will show you what is the ingredients and how to make the croissant dough. So these are the ingredients: all-purpose flour, sugar, cold water, fresh yeast, unsalted butter, whole egg, salt, and fermented dough. Basically, this all we are mixed together. All-purpose flour, sugar, fresh yeast, butter, whole egg, and salt. So I will add cold water 800 ml for 2 kilo of flour. You will mix 10 minutes slow speed. So I already finished 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add my fermented dough. Again 7 minutes now. So you can see my croissant dough is ready. Finished 10-minute mixing. You can see how looks the dough. So I already divided my croissant dough. This is 3 kilogram. So for this 3 kilogram we will add 1 kilo of croissant butter. So now this dough I will keep in 24 hours in the freezer. So next day you can start to fold in.